Here's another video about this Yihua 948. Don't buy this crap. Look at this. It doesn't do anything, and it's going to break your PCB boards like it did on this one. These are test PCBs, old ones that I have, and look here, it broke that. The heat lifts up the pad, so it's not doing anything. Barely removes any solder. Barely melts any solder. Look, it just lifts up this pad again. See? It's too hot, doesn't remove anything. It doesn't melt, nothing. And it's going to break, it's going to mess up your PCB boards. See that? Nothing. This is just crap. Big time crap.